Okay, so we are at a Jiffy Lube, right here. Jiffy Lube, and here's a Carrier Comfort. It's a straight cool unit. It's a straight cool unit. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. And it's got a Gentech fan motor. It's got a Gentech motor. And it's from 2000. Yeah, obviously it's not from 2021. That is loud bass. Someone has the radio up way too loud. This is from 2013. And it's a 3.5 ton. There's the line down there is Puron refrigerant. And there's a gas meter right there. Some Mars disconnected box. Yeah. Yeah, anyways. Guess over now. Thanks for watching.